about safe planet and pollution. We're going to begin by introducing ourselves. I'm Mr. J.
I'm Miss Stephanie.
I'm Miss Tim.
I'm Mr. Chad.
I'm Miss Allison.
And I'm Miss Barbara.
Oh no, it seems we got a visit from the litter bug. Can I have everyone take their items and put in the correct bin on the left side of the room?
We have paper, plastic, and aluminum. Take your items and put them. And there.
I have too much stuff.
Oh,
I want to read this. It's talking about Stephen Curry.
you need to.
Yeah, that one?
Put it in the wrong area. Where should that go? Bad person. And this is in the wrong area. Good try.
Please catch it there.
I caught that.
Oh, I missed that.
Alright, can anyone tell me what the litter bug just did to this room? Yes.
He gave me new items.
Well, let's talk more about what you saw. What are some things that you saw in the room?
There was paper, plastic, and blah blah blah.
Well, what's this blah blah blah? Anyone? What?
Garbage.
Aluminum. Very good, very good. Now, so the litter bug right now just polluted this classroom, basically. He littered all of those recycling stuff into the classroom.
Okay, so today we're going to play a game that lasts from right now until the time that you leave. It is called Students versus Teachers. If you see on the board, you see environmentalists, and then on the other side you see teachers. We are your teachers, you are the environmentalists. If you hear us counting down from any number, 5, 3, 20, by the time we get to 0, you need to be silent with your eyes on us. If you see that you're working well with your groups, you're taking good notes, you're paying good attention, we will give you a point. Do you think we are going to give you a point for every single good thing you do?
Yes.
No. You'll never know when it's coming. Will we take points away from you? No. But we can give ourselves points if we see that we need to. So the origami that some of you have, you're not playing with them. Your name tags, you're not playing with them. Questions? All right.
So, we're going to let's get started. And this is your little note-taking flip book. And for each topic that we are talking about, there are tabs for each one. In the pollution tab, there's pollution, air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, and the solution to pollution. Throughout the whole type of presentation, you'll have to keep up with what we're saying and figure out where the definitions go and what we're talking about by taking notes. Your question?
Is there competition involved with the
Yes, whoever wins gets a prize.
Oh, guys, I'm talking about.
You'll have to sing.
Are we getting a pizza party?
You'll have to sing.
No,
Miss Kim is trying to give instructions. So right now, as an example, who should get the point if I was to give one? No, because you're all talking over
the
her.
teacher.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so let's get started.
So during this presentation, we're going to be looking for important symbols. The first symbol that we're going to be looking for is the eyeballs. The eyeballs means that eyes are up front and that you need to pay close attention to information. The second symbol is a magnifying glass, which is where you're going to have to look in your pamphlets because we'll be defining important information. Now, on the count of 3, can we all say what the eyeballs mean? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Eyes up front and pay attention. Right, very good. The magnifying glass, you guys ready to say that? 1, 2, 3. Very good.
Alright, so, scientists, we've been talking about pollution and we had a visit from the litter bug and we didn't discuss what pollution is. So pollution is any contamination of the environment. So if you turn to your first page where it says pollution, you'll see any contamination of the environment is called. So on the count of three, we're going to say that together. 1, 2, 3. Any contamination of the environment is called pollution. And you can write pollution right there on the line, and it's spelled up here if you need to look. All right, and everyone has that in there. And also, if you look up here, since we have the eyes, we have to make sure we're paying attention. There are pictures of different types of pollution. And we will be discussing today the 3 different types of pollution. Okay, so here we have an acronym. This acronym is PAUL, and an acronym, we've discussed acronyms before that they stand for something else. Like, for example, you might say to your friends LOL to mean laugh out loud. That's an acronym. So this is a scientific acronym for the 3 different types of pollution. So P is for pollution, A would be for air pollution, W is water pollution, and L is land pollution. So in your book, you have your spots to put the 3 different types of pollution, which is air pollution, water pollution, or land. If you would like to draw pictures, so you know you can draw water or air.